I would highly recommend anyone to start Forex Trading for Beginners course by Mr. Saad Ali. And I thank Mr. Saad Ali for creating this course. It is really helpful, really helpful. In this course, I got to learn a lot. Actually, I learned more than I expected, a lot than I expected. I got to learn about trend lines, to draw channels, market structure, fib retracement, and I also got to learn about risk management, which is a very important thing when you want to start Forex trading. Another thing is that there is a private group on Facebook for Saad Ali students, and in this group you meet fellow students, and then the good thing about it is that you post your chart markups, you post your charts, and Saad Ali replies and give you feedbacks, and it is really helpful. Especially the feedbacks are really helpful and is able to correct you. Another thing is I would recommend anyone trying to start Forex to try this course. And the good thing about it, it's free. It's actually free. So once again, I would recommend you to do this course.